Hey, good afternoon. Hello, friends. Some of you could not submit the assignment reverse quest number one properly because of some procedural errors, and I find it difficult to grade your assignment because I'm not getting in the proper format. So I'm just pitching in a small video to help you do your work, how to submit. Whatever you have done, please do it properly so that I can watch it. So you are in the classroom. This is how your classroom looks like. You go to your classwork and you have reverse quests listed there. Okay, so you have reverse quest listed here. You might see missing here, or you might see it as turned in late, whatever it is, ignore it. If it is already submitted in some format, you can go back, view assignment, unsubmit it, and then come back. Okay, you go to view assignment, unsubmit, and then come back. Okay, so this is how you have to unsubmit your work and do a resubmission again if you have already done it wrong. I'm sending a list of students who have done it wrongly, so those students have to do this exercise. Okay, so let's start. So we find a window like this, reverse case one, missing or turned in late, whatever is there. You go to this link, click on it, it opens like this. Now at the right top, you see three dots. Don't do anything on this now. Go here to the right top corner. You'll see three dots. Click on it. You will see open in a new window. Click on that, and now it opens up like this. Then here you have open with Google Docs. Click on that. Now the Google Doc opens. This is how it looks. And this is a dummy row which I have created for a dummy student. You can go there, type in whatever is your question. You can type question one, A, B, C, D, question two, uh, D, H, and whatever. So type all this. It will take some time to appear there depending on your net connectivity. So type all this. Now don't do anything here. Don't tamper with any other row. Just type in your document and note. If your name is somewhere down, you can scroll down and type. Okay, so type in your details, type in your questions, and then you can close this document. Simply close it. Don't share. Simply close it, and then close this also. Okay. Now go back to your classroom. Back, back. Okay, and then you go to view assignment and go there. If you can see it, it's saying missing, or you might see you have to unsubmit first before you do this. Okay, and then say mark as done. Click this. Didn't attach. You have not attached anything. You have just edited a Google Sheet, so there is no attachment. So just say mark as done. I'll be able to see it in the Google Doc, not as an attachment. Okay. Now, when I have submitted my work, I have submitted it late, so it comes like this, turned in late. And now if I want to do a resubmission, I can unsubmit and do the resubmit. So this is what I told you. First, if you have already submitted, click on new assignment, come here, you will see this option, unsubmit, and then go back and do what I said, uh, starting from the beginning. Okay. So this is how you have to do the submission. Now, if I open the Google Drive of yours, now go to your Google Drive in your Gmail account. If you go there, in the My Drive option, in the recent list, you will see this reverse list and template. Okay, so now if you click that open, you can see the question which you have typed, and you can also see all other questions which others have typed till now. Okay, so this is your document. This is for you. You are in your local drive. So you don't have to save it, it gets automatically saved in the Google Drive because we have opened the Google Doc from our Google account. So you don't have to download this and then send it back to me or anything of that sort. Don't share it. Just have to fill it, close it, and then say mark as done. So please do this. It will take only 2 minutes because you have your questions at hand. It will take only 2 minutes and please do it. Okay, and before, if you have already submitted, since you have already submitted, you have to first unsubmit and then do all this, and then close your cluster. Is that clear? Please do this. I have uploaded the list of students who have not done that properly. So please do it and get the things going. Okay, see.